If you're waking up groggy, surviving on coffee, and wondering why you're still tired, this video is for you. In 2025, millions of Americans are searching one thing: how to finally sleep better. And today, I'm giving you 5 science-backed hacks that actually work. Hey, what's good, fam? Welcome back to True Wellness Network, where we're all about feeling our best without the fluff. Let's be real, who else in America is surviving on coffee and sheer willpower because sleep feels like a distant cousin you never see? Raise his hand. According to 2025 Google Trends, how to sleep better is one of the top health searches in the US right now. Why? Because we're stressed, scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m. and wondering why we're dragging by noon. Sound like you? Sleep isn't just a luxury, it's your body's secret weapon for energy, focus, and even weight management. Studies from the CDC say 1 in 3 Americans are sleep deprived, and it's messing with our vibe. Think brain fog, cranky moods, and those under-eye bags screaming for help, but don't worry, I've got you. Today, we're diving into 5 science-backed hacks to optimize your sleep and recovery in 2025. No boring lectures, just practical stuff you can start tonight. Plus, I'm dropping 2 awesome finds to make it easier. New here? Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and let's make sleep your superpower. Ready? Let's do this. Hack 1. Create a sleep sanctuary. First up, let's talk about turning your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary, because your environment is everything. The National Sleep Foundation says a dark, cool, quiet room can shave 30 minutes off the time it takes to fall asleep. In the US, where we're bombarded with screens and notifications, this is a game changer. Start with blackout curtains. I got mine at Target for $20 and they're a vibe. Keep your room at 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Anything warmer and your body's like, nah, I'm staying up. Next, ditch the blue light. You know that late night Instagram scroll? It's telling your brain it's party time, not bedtime. Try blue light blocking glasses. Cheap ones on Amazon work fine. Or set your phone to night mode after 8 p.m. Oh, and here's my secret sauce, a lavender diffuser. A 2025 study from Johns Hopkins found lavender cuts anxiety by 20%, helping you drift off faster. No diffuser? A drop of lavender oil on your pillow works too. Quick tip, declutter your space. A messy room stresses you out subconsciously. I tossed out old junk last month, and my sleep's never been better. What's one thing you're doing to upgrade your bedroom vibe? Drop it in the comments, I'm nosy and wanna know. Hack 2. Nail your pre-sleep routine. Hack 2 is all about a pre-sleep routine that screams chill mode. Americans are go, 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 but winding down is non-negotiable for quality sleep. The Sleep Research Society says a consistent routine can boost sleep quality by 25%. Here's my flow. An hour before bed, I shut off Netflix. Tough, I know. Then I do 5 minutes of gentle yoga. Think cat-cow stretches, nothing fancy. It tells your nervous system, yo, we're calming down. Swap screen time for a book. Fiction's my jam, but self-help works too. Or try journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Sounds cheesy, but a 2025 UCLA study linked gratitude journaling to 15% better sleep scores. If you're still wired, sip chamomile or valerian tea. I'm obsessed with this organic chamomile from Trader Joe's. No affiliation, just love it, pro move. Set a bedtime alarm. Mine's 10 p.m. and it's like a gentle nudge to start chilling. Consistency is key, even on weekends. I used to pull all-nighters and my body was like, girl, what? Now I'm asleep by 11, waking up like I run the world. What's your bedtime ritual? Comment below. Let's swap ideas. Hack 3, tech to track and optimize. Now let's get nerdy with hack number 3. Use tech to hack your sleep. In 2025, US folks are all about wearables. Think Fitbit, Apple Watch, or the Aura Ring. These gadgets track your sleep stages, light, deep, REM, and give you data to geek out on. A Cigna report says 40% of Americans using sleep trackers improve their rest in 6 weeks. I've been testing the Sleep Score app. It's free and analyzes your sleep patterns via your phone's mic. Wild, right? Here's the deal. Track for a week to spot patterns. Maybe you're not getting enough deep sleep. That's the restorative stuff. If your tracker says you're tossing and turning, check your caffeine cutoff. I stopped coffee after 2 p.m. and my REM sleep spiked. Apps like Sleep Cycle also nudge you awake during light sleep so you don't feel like a zombie. Budget tight, no tracker needed. Just log your bedtime and wake up vibe in a notebook. Tech's just a tool, not the boss. Curious about trackers? I'll share a killer find in a sec that pairs perfectly with this. What sleep tech are you eyeing? Spill in the comments. Hack 4, nutrition for better Z's. Hack 4 is eating for sleep because what you munch impacts your snooze. A 2025 study in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine found that diets high in magnesium and melatonin-rich foods improve sleep duration by 20%. First, cut sugar and heavy meals after 7 p.m. That late night pizza, it's spiking your blood sugar, keeping you wired. Instead, go for sleep-friendly snacks. My fave, a banana with almond milk. Bananas have potassium and almond milk's got that creamy calm. Add a sprinkle of magnesium powder, it relaxes muscles and chills your brain. I get mine at Whole Foods, but Amazon's got options too. Tart cherries or pistachios are also clutch. They're natural melatonin boosters. Timing matters. Eat dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed, and hydration. Sip water all day, but taper off at night to avoid bathroom runs. I learned this the hard way after chugging a liter at 9 p.m. Oops. If you're struggling with sleep, check your caffeine and alcohol too. Both mess with REM. What's your go-to bedtime snack? Drop it below. I'm always hunting new ideas. Hack 5. Recovery tools and supplements. Last up, Hack 5. Recovery tools to make sleep your body's repair shop. Sleep's when your muscles rebuild and your brain processes the day. A 2025 NIH study says poor sleep slows recovery by 30%. So let's boost it. Try a foam roller before bed. 5 minutes on your back and legs eases tension. I got mine for $15 at Walmart. Total steal. Supplements can help too. Magnesium citrate or glycinate, 200 to 400 milligrams nightly, is a fan fave for calming nerves. Or try ashwagandha. It lowers cortisol, that stress hormone keeping you up. Always check with your doctor first though. Another hack, white noise machines. My Amazon one drowns out city noise and I'm out like a light. Alright, before we wrap this up, I want to share 2 sleep products that have been absolute game changers for me and for thousands of people here in the US. First up, Anatrol Melatonin Gummies. They're America's best-selling sleep supplement with over 100,000 reviews on Amazon. Just one gummy and it gently helps your body know it's time to wind down. No groggy mornings, just real rest. The second one is Relaxium Sleep. This one's a powerful blend of melatonin, magnesium, and ashwagandha. It's non-habit forming, and honestly, it feels like a natural reset button for your sleep schedule, perfect if stress or late nights are keeping you wired. I've dropped my Amazon links to both in the description below. Check them out and see which one fits your lifestyle better. The best part, both are affordable, highly rated, and backed by thousands of happy users across the US. So if you're serious about finally getting quality sleep in 2025, give them a try. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Remember, even one small change tonight can transform how you wake up tomorrow. So try at least one hack and let me know which one works for you. And hey, if you're ready to finally wake up refreshed in 2025, hit that subscribe because the next video, it's gonna blow your mind. Thanks for chilling with me, America. Here's to waking up refreshed and ready to slay. Catch you in the next video. Sleep tight.